In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Namecheap domain to Google Workspace so you can start using a professional email like calcifer at calci.com, something like that. So first, head over to the workspace.google.com and then click the Get Started and log in with your credentials. So follow the prompts to enter your business name, your name, current email, and most importantly, the domain you purchased from Namecheap. So if you already have your Workspace account, you can just log in and go to the admin console. So now, in terms of verifying your domain, so as you can see, this is not the admin console yet. So we'll head over to the admin console. So we'll search for the um. Let's try the sign in for the Google Workspace admin console. And now in here, so click this Google admin. So you'll need to enter again your Gmail password or Google password. And so like this. So as you can see, it's looping. So I don't know why. But yeah, listen carefully as I explain each step so you can know or you are aware what to expect if you are on the Google admin console. So after setting it up, your account, and now in here, Google will ask you to verify your domain. So you'll be given a text record. S- So it should look like TXT record. So add to your domain provider, which is Namecheap. So copy the TXT or text record that starts with the Google dash site dash verification. So open new tab and go to the namecheap.com in here. So let's head on over to that. So this is the Namecheap. And in here, as you can see in here, I already logged in into Namecheap. So this is the domain list. So assumingly I purchase a domain in here. So um after that, click the domain you want to manage and then next to your domain, so click the advanced DNS tab on the dashboard manage. So scroll to the host records and click the add new record and then choose the TXT record and then host at and then value, paste the TXT record from Google in here, and then the TTTL that's set to automatic. So click the green check icon to save, and then once you added a TXT record, go back to your Google admin console and click verify. So DNS changes may take a few minutes to go live. If it doesn't verify right away, wait 10 to 15 minutes and try again. So after verification, Google will ask you to add MX records to start receiving emails through Gmail. So in Namecheap, go back to Advanced DNS, delete any existing MX records, and then add the 5 Google Workspace MX records. You can find the full list in the description. So after that, it might take to 48 hours, but usually it must faster. So once complete, you'll be able to send and receive emails using your domain in Gmail. And that's how you connect your Namecheap domain to Google Workspace for a professional email. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.